Do you know many people are having trouble with the AVR E02 error on their CyberPower UPS? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Secure connection. Begin by verifying that the UPS is connected to a power outlet securely. Ensure there are no loose plug connections to prevent charging issues. Step 2. Check outlet. Confirm the power outlet is functional by testing it with another electronic device. This will ensure the outlet is delivering power correctly. Step 3. Test UPS connection. If the device connected to the outlet works, but the UPS still shows the error, try connecting a different compatible device to the UPS. Step 4. Verify voltage. Ensure the voltage from the outlet is within the acceptable range for the UPS. This helps maintain proper operational functionality. Step 5. Monitor and restart. After all checks, monitor if the UPS still displays the error. If needed, consider restarting the UPS to reset any potential system faults. After following these steps, your CyberPower UPS should function smoothly without showing the AVR E02 error. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other CyberPower users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.